Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the clock control panel on your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 6 screws to release the upper rear access panel. Depress the retaining tab to disconnect the clock control wire connector. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the clock control from the support braces. Depress the side retaining tabs to release the oven light switch from the control panel. Detach the wires. Next, unthread the lower mounting screws, securing the control panel. Unthread the upper mounting screws, and you can remove the old panel. Install the new clock control panel by positioning it on the end caps. Thread the upper and lower mounting screws. Reinstall the oven light switch by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Then snap the switch into place on the new control panel. Position the clock control on the support braces and thread the 4 mounting screws. Connect the wire connector. Reinstall the rear access panel by aligning the tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread the screws to hold it in place. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.